Welcome. Let's talk about dynamic service. Not every order is a one-time transaction. Sometimes it's an evolving request, a phased requirement. With PAYS, your open order feature gives you unparalleled control over these ongoing interactions. To initiate, simply select Open Order from your main transactions menu. Immediately, you're presented with a clean order interface, ready to capture new requests. Now, navigate your menu. Let's swiftly add items like pound of love, bowl of balls, Rory's wings, and mini corn dogs. Each item carefully adds to the total. Once recorded, you don't need to finalize the payment immediately. Simply tap Save. Observe. Your order is now live within the pending orders list. This is your command center for all active, unfulfilled requests. It's about clarity and oversight. Let's create another open order to demonstrate this flexibility. Again, select Open Order. Add items like pound of love, bowl of balls, Rory's wings, mini corn dogs, and chicken quesadilla. Notice the system instantly updates the new order's total. Again, we'll save this order, adding it to your pending list. Now, the real power, updating. Select an existing order from your pending orders list. Let's choose the initial order. Tap Update Order. The order details reappear. You can now seamlessly add new items, like chicken strips and sriracha chicken bites, or adjust quantities. The system meticulously recalculates, reflecting the updated request. When ready, simply tap Pay. Proceed with the chosen payment method. Here, cash. The payment process is swift and decisive, confirming successful completion. You can then provide a receipt, print, email, or text, ensuring seamless customer experience. Back in your All Orders view, you'll see the updated list, reflecting the completed transaction. Let's take the remaining order and tap Pay Full Amount. Process the payment with cash. The transaction completes, and offer the receipt as preferred. This isn't just about taking an order, it's about providing continuous, adaptive service. PAYS Open Order empowers you to manage every evolving customer interaction with intelligence and control. It's simply brilliant.